After a loss, your contractor might say, hey, don't worry about it, we'll handle the insurance for you. Sounds helpful, right? Until you realize they're not licensed nor have any authority to negotiate your claim. Hey, I'm Scott with Insurance Claim Recovery Support Public Adjusters, and we see this mistake constantly. Contractors mean well, but when they act as adjusters, it can violate state law and jeopardize your coverage. Here's what happens. They push for repair money, not full recovery. They talk scope, not policy. They can't interpret the policy exclusions, depreciation, or endorsements, and the insurance company knows it. We partner with contractors. They fix the property, we fix the paperwork. Together, we get compliance and maximum recovery in minimum time. You wouldn't ask your roofer to read your policy. Don't ask them to argue it. Contact us now. Insurance companies have experts working for them. You should too.